Hi, I'm going to record a quick video where I show you how to get hands-free poker running, and I show you some of the features. The first thing you have to do is go to our website and download Hands-Free Poker. The best thing to do is join the Hands-Free Poker release list, because then you'll be notified of any updates. Once you have Hands-Free Poker installed, you have to make sure that it's running as administrator. The way to run it as administrator is in our Learning Center. So go to the website and click on Learning Center to get the article for how to run as administrator. Once you do that, when you run Hands-Free Poker, it'll ask you, are you sure you want to allow this to run? You say yes. Next thing that's going to pop up is the licensing screen. If you've already purchased Hands-Free Poker, that's where you enter the licensing. If you haven't, then you can click on use Hands-Free Poker as a trial. My software has already been activated, so it goes right to the main screen. You'll notice at the top we have two launch buttons for PokerStars and Full Tilt. These are the two poker sites that we currently support. If you have these installed, when you click on these buttons, it'll launch the poker site. If you don't have either of these sites installed, it'll take you to a web page which will give you easy ability to download, install, and sign up for those sites. Some other features of Hands-Free Poker that the menu bar reveals is Restore Last Session, which keeps track of the tables that you had open last time Hands-Free Poker was open. Add New Table Wizard, which will add any tables that haven't been automatically recognized by Hands-Free. Microphone Setup will set the volume of your microphone so that it's at an appropriate level. And Voice Training. Most of the time, you do not need to do voice training, but if you do have problems with the software not understanding your voice, in all likelihood you need to do some voice training so the system can understand you better. The first thing I'll do is open up a table and show you how the betting works with hands-free. You'll notice right away that the table is marked to number 1, which means it's the first table. As well, you'll see that we have a preferred open raise amount. This is a command that you can set to mimic if you're going to be the first person raising the pot. A lot of times players want to raise between 1.5 and 10 times the blind. So you can configure this in the preferences. So now that we set that, you'll see the open raise amount is now 5, which is 2.5 times the blinds. The rest of the betting in Hands-Free Poker is done in terms of blinds. So you'll see in the shortcut betting help, we have a list of all the different blinds commands that are supported. They go from 1 to 100, where from 10 blinds to 100 blinds you have to say every 5. So 10, 15, 20, it skips every 5. But you can easily use this chart to appropriately bet according to the pot and according to the table. This shortcut betting help will change as the blinds change at your table. So right now, because the blinds are 1, 2, these numbers are correct. If the blinds were to go up in a tournament, you'll notice that the blinds will change according to that table. Another option I should show you at the top here is grid mode and cascade mode. You can run either one with Hands-Free Poker, depending on your preferences. So when it gets to us, I'm going to show you some of the commands that you can say. Of course, all the normal commands like fold, check, raise, bet pot, all in, all those normal commands will be recognized, as well as the specialty commands just for Hands-Free Poker, where we bet in terms of the blinds. Let's say, for example, here we want to raise 5 blinds. You'll see the software recognize the word 5 blinds and appropriately bet 5 times the big blind. This is a good way to appropriately make your bet size to the pot, to the other player's bet, and also to the stack size at the table. Let's try another example when it gets to us. So the pot's 52. We're going to try to bet somewhere near that. 20 blinds. So easily looking at the chart and determining that 20 blinds is an appropriate bet to the pot, we're able to create that amount. All in. So good luck. Try out the software. Let us know what you think, and please send all comments to support@handsfreepoker.com. Thanks.